today I'm working on this little video, and not a video, on this website. Um, it's on freecodecamp. I keep forgetting if it's .org or .com. It's .org. I don't know why, but it's a .org. That's weird. It is a teaching website. I don't know, but anyways, it's free code, free, just free code, CODE, and then camp, CAMP.org. Um, yeah, so it just teaches you. Let me show you guys the website first before I show you guys what I've done today. Let's see. Before I turn this around, I wish I could see myself on the screen, but I'm using the good camera, so I'm using the camera behind the phone, so I can't see myself. But I just clicked on something wrong. Okay. So, so this is the website. Okay, free code camp. It's free, obviously. It's in the name. You can donate. So if you donate, it gets updated and whatnot. And then let's see. Okay, so you start off here. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing because damn, there's a lot, and this is all free, bro. Okay, I'll go through this one because that's what I'm on right now. But I've done up to here and only a little bit though. Let me show you guys where I've been. Like, let's see, collapse courses, basic JavaScript. Yeah, wait, have I? I want to say I've been here, but I want to say I've been over here. But just to be safe, I know I've been here for sure. Oh, no, actually, no, because I remember this was a lot. Okay, so no. I think the furthest I've ever been was probably... So this is JavaScript, right? I've probably been up to like right here in these areas, finding the length of a string. Yeah, I remember because from what I remember, JavaScript is not like Python. So Python's a different programming language, which you can easily find the length of a string, and then this one, you have to like build out your own. Obviously, I think you can actually, I think there's libraries you can use, like ES6 is a library you can use, but I'm not too familiar because I'm kind of new to JavaScript. Okay, so so you can learn, what is this, JavaScript algorithms and all that. You can also learn, let's see, um, wait, what am I, hold on, no, oh, it's opening them, that's what it's doing. Why is it opening new tabs, bro? That's mad annoying. Okay, what else can you do? You can do front end, JavaScript front end development. I don't know what's, I guess I'll click on it, but like I said, because if I went deep into it, bro, this would be like an hour-long video. Data visualization certification. And these are all like in depth, bro. Back-end development, I'm assuming that's with Python as well. Or it might be using JavaScript, I don't know. Quality assurance, I don't know what that is, but because I've never been there, like I said, I've completed this one, and then I've done a little bit of that one. Data analysis, that looks fun, bro. Like, obviously, it's kind of difficult when you're like wanting to pull your hairs out. Well, personally, when you're learning, but like once you like get the hang of it and stuff like that, like okay, because like that's learning, bro. Like it's difficult. It's difficult because you're learning. You don't know this. If you knew this, you wouldn't be learning. So sometimes, like even with trigonometry, I feel like pulling my hairs out, and then like it gets mad annoying when you when you don't know something. But yeah, okay. So information security. This is like crypto, I believe. Maybe, I don't know. Don't quote me on this one. Let's see. It might be. Let's see. It's like it's called cryptography. You can use it. Let's see. I think that looks like it's JavaScript. Let's see. Oh yeah, JavaScript. Yeah, because that doesn't, these type of things usually aren't used in Python. But it's pretty chill. Oh, there's the Python one. So what is this one? JavaScript? Yeah, so this one's with JavaScript, this one's with Python. And there's projects, stock price checker, you know, it's pretty chill. Now let me go back to the other one. If I could. Oh, there. So machine learning, that was pretty cool too. Coding interview prep. This is if you want to work for somebody. Personally, I don't want to, but I wouldn't mind a part-time job as a programmer just to see what it's like. But like full time, bro, because I heard working as a programmer, you gotta work like 80 hours a week sometimes or 60, maybe not that much, right? But not your usual 40, maybe like 50 or 60. But I don't want to because I go to school and stuff like that, and I do these little projects that I like to learn and stuff like that. So if I was working, I wouldn't be able to learn all this. Like I'd be stuck to that one thing. That's a whole that's a whole nother subject. So I'll get into what I'm doing right now. See, why does it open a whole look? Click on it and it opens a whole nother. Oh, okay, right now it opened a. Maybe I was clicking the wrong. I don't know. Anyways, so this is what I'm on right now. I restarted it because I haven't done it in a long time. So I've done basic HTML, which is simple as well. It teaches you from the ground up, so it's pretty simple. As long as you know, like, as if I would say if you have your even if you don't have your how is it your high school diploma, like as long as you've done like probably I would say if you're like a sixth grader and up, you could probably do this. Like once you get into pre-algebra and all of that, you can start learning some of this stuff. And then it gets more difficult as it progresses. And then so I've done all of this already. So let's see what is some of this applied visual design. You start learning some of the visual stuff. Um, yeah, you can get into all that. But what I want to show is the projects at the end of each. So for the end of this one, there's 5 projects. There's a tribute page, a survey form. This one obviously very 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 easy. This one was still very easy, but not as easy as this one. And then I'm on this one right now, and they get more difficult as they go. So going on this one right here, there's a bunch of like requirements that you have to do and whatnot. And so this is what I got right now. That's what I got. You open up the little link and then it shows you like how to do it. And you gotta pass basically a test. Damn, it's a long ass video, 8 minutes, bro. Alright, so product landing page. You run the test, right? Just run it right now. And it's at 14 out of 16, so that means I'm missing 2 things. And it tells you what it's required. Like, you know, it's missing a header element or stuff like that. So this one is missing 2 things. So this one's missing a media query, and it's also missing CSS flexbox. The flexbox, this is what I got. I got just a skeleton. I haven't made it look nice yet. This is the example that they give us, which is right over here. So it's basic as well, but obviously it has more stuff. Like, for example, it has the nav, which I have a nav, but it doesn't look nice like this. This one has like, you know, it has its things and whatnot. It's still one page, like it's not a full website. It's only one page. So if I click on, let's see, like features, it's gonna take me to a part of the page. How it works, I think that one takes me to the video, yeah. And then the pricing is gonna take me down here. So that's the end. That's why it doesn't scroll up, but that's the end. And then it has a footer. And then this one off. So for the flex, it's most likely gonna be these right here. This is like a, it's like in CSS, it's like this little flex thing. You guys will get to know it if anybody decides to learn this, but you know, you can assort them. So yeah, that's what I'm on right now. I take it easy. Um, it's a lot. It's a lot more relaxed than I was learning before. Obviously, I already know it. This is funny enough. This is like the fourth time I've restarted it. I always get to the JavaScript part and then I quit for some reason and I come back. But this time I'm actually like focused on moving forward. So yeah, it's been a while. There's almost no CSS whatsoever. There's one. And that is for this right here. For the header image. The sizing for this is not done on CSS. It's using some HTML elements. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here because it's already like 11 minutes and I don't know if I have that kind of upload capacity. So thank you guys for watching.